And this is the new update, the content vending machine version of Cam. So he is so simple to use. If you could press a button, you could create content on your phone anywhere in the world. You are no longer tied to your computer. You paste a link, press a button. So let's do a link. So here's a website. I'm just going to copy the URL, random website, something relevant. So all you have to do is paste a link right here and then create video. You can also take an entire script. It could be an entire article, as much text as you want, really doesn't matter. And you can also put that in Cam, paste the whole body of text for the idea for whatever you want. He's automatically going to turn this into a script. Done. Now, just like that, we have 2 new videos. As you can see, I have quite a lot of videos in here. Once you loaded them, I'm actually on the schedule tab. That's why I was like, why is there so many? These are the schedule tab. These are all videos that are done. These are video that's processing. These are your 2 videos. So these are your 2 videos that are now processing. They're just sitting below the queue and you're done. You can literally log out. You could do this from on your phone. You can log in anywhere on any device into Cam, enter and paste a topic or idea, create the video, and you're done. It's going to go through and produce that video. So just recently, I just loaded up Cam with 12 pieces of content. All of these videos, boom, 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 boom. You can see the hour, boom, 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 boom. So there was 12 videos that I did in 1 hour. I just pasted, boom, 12. I just pasted 12 website links, basically. And it automatically loaded them, and they took about an hour to process all 12 videos. And so these 2 are just finishing up right now, and these are the 2 new ones that were done. And then once a video is done, you could go ahead and click on any of the videos. I'll just pick this one.
Okay, here's your short form video script. Your computer has been sitting there doing nothing while you work. What if I told you?
So the way the format works right now, it's a standard format. It's always going to be your avatar. Let's get a little nicer picture there. It's always going to be your avatar. Then it's going to go B-roll, B-roll, B-roll. And a B-roll is with your avatar in the B-roll. And then it will go B-roll, B-roll, B-roll related to the script. And then we'll end with your talking head avatar talking to the camera. Perfect. I'll put a nice video down below so you can hear a real nice quality of it. So Cam is designed to plug in with all 6 of these social media apps right now, currently. So if you have these or less, you can just choose one, or you can do all, and he's set up. Second, you can customize your publishing schedule here. How often, every single day, do you want to publish? Do you want to publish once a day, twice a day, 3 times a day? You just click add a time slot, select the time, and then AM, PM, and then it is now added. So whenever you produce a video and you are ready to, and you're like, yeah, go ahead and publish it, it will automatically find the next available time slot. Let me go to my calendar. So this is my calendar. So it will automatically find the next available time slot and queue it up for there. So if I go to my week view, I just did this literally right now, honestly. So, and now we're set up 6, 7, 8, 9. Now this is every hour, but every hour this is going to 6 social media channels, 6 social media channels, 6 social media channels, 6 social media channels, 6 social media channels. So this gets really interesting once you compound this, that I've been using this. I've been publishing at least, well, let's go back to here. So we have 8, 12 times a day, 13 times a day, 13 times a day, 9 times a day, 6 times a day, 13 times a day. So if you want to use Cam in your business, just check out the details below. I'll put my calendar link. I'm taking 10 people right now to set it up. It does take a little process to set it up. It's going to run on your API keys. It's going to run on your data, and it's going to run on your server. So I am right now removing the cost of the setup costs so that I could go and set it up for you, and then you could just click these buttons and Cam is ready to run and publish content multiple times a day. And you can log in and out of Cam anywhere on your mobile phone, paste a link, press a button, and you're done for the day. Your content's getting published. Thank you. Me and my avatar will definitely see you online.